Welcome. In front of me is a Poco X3 Pro, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible on screen, press power key and volume down. So you just need to click both of them, and it will bring up this little image right here just to show you what you have captured and give you two options. You can either share it or also capture a scrollable screenshot. So I'm going to also demonstrate the scrollable screenshot. Now before I do, I'll mention that if you already capture a screenshot, then this will be only visible for about a second or so before it disappears. And also, if you decide to not interact with it after capturing a screenshot, it will automatically get saved to your photo gallery. But if you do decide to capture a scrollable one, it will overwrite the existing one that we have captured right here and kind of start elongating it, basically. So as you can see, once you tap on it, it begins to scroll down. You can stop it by tapping on the screen. You can also grab it yourself and move it as far down as you want to. Once you're satisfied with however far you went down, click on done, and this will process it and give you the option to save it right here. And there we go. So there's also another way of capturing a screenshot, which is a little bit quicker, I would say, than the power key and volume down, which is with the 3 fingers. Just use 3 fingers, swipe down on the screen, and it does the same thing. Now, all the screenshots that we have captured can be found in our photo gallery. So just open that up and then go to albums, and you'll have a screenshot folder. And in here you'll have all the screenshots. So as you can see, there's the 2 from the home screen, or the 3 finger swipe, and then there is the long one. So that is how you capture any kind of screenshot on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.